Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to change graphics settings in Racing Kingdom on your mobile device. Whether you want a smoother performance or ultra clear visuals, this video will help you adjust it to your liking. First of all, open up the Racing Kingdom app on your device and log into your account. From the home screen, tap on the gear icon at the top right corner, and this will open up the settings menu. Under settings, choose the graphics from the left hand side, and then you will be able to see several different options such as minimum, low, medium, high and ultra. Choose low for smoother performance on older device. You can choose high or ultra for better visuals if your phone supports it. After you've done with selection, you can get back to the main lobby screen, and that will help you change your graphics setting in the game. If the game ever starts to lag or overheat your phone, come back and switch to the lower setting for a better experience. And that's how easy it is to change your graphics settings in Racing Kingdom. Adjusting these settings can help you get the perfect balance between game performance and visual quality based on your device. If this video helped you out, make sure to like, share and subscribe for more easy mobile game tutorials. Stay safe, have fun, and I'll see you in the next video.